Welcome to Desire to Learn, the course management system used by Millersville University. This is a short video introduction to explain how to access D2L, find additional D2L resources, locate and access your courses, and become familiar with the basic tools your professors may use in your D2L course. You will need to locate and view additional tutorials on individual tools after you have viewed this introduction. To navigate to your D2L course, begin at the Millersville homepage. On the left-hand side, in the portal logins, you will find the login for Desire to Learn. The portal login will bring you to the Desire to Learn resources space. Bookmark this page for future logins because this is where bulletins are posted if the system is down or undergoing maintenance. Additional resources and tutorials for D2L can be found at this page and are arranged by D2L tool. The resources on this page may change if D2L is updated. However, you can always find what you are looking for by using the search feature. For example, a list of supported browsers for use with D2L can always be found here. In addition, you can find numbers for the Millersville IT Help Desk and a search for additional technology support. To log into your Desire to Learn course, click the green Desire to Learn Login button. Enter your username and password, which is the same as your Millersville username and password. Upon login, your D2L My homepage will appear. On this page, you will find your My Settings widget, where you can add a profile picture. We ask that you upload a picture, a headshot of yourself, but that you do not include any other personal information on your profile. Profile information is available to all users in the D2L system Millersville-wide. You can also set preferences in your My Settings widget, for instance, how you would like to view discussions, and whether or not you would like to have a copy of any email message that you send from inside of D2L. If you make any changes inside of D2L, be sure to click Save. You can also set notifications in the system for certain features, such as being told if a due date for a Dropbox folder is 2 days away, a news item is added or changed in a class, or if someone has posted something to a thread that you would like to be notified for. Please do not use the Change Password feature inside the D2L system. All passwords should be changed at the Change Password features on your Millersville page at millersville.edu. The locker is an area for file storage specific to you. You can get the locker in your My Settings widget and also in the top black navigation bar. On the right-hand side of your My homepage, you will find again the numbers for the help desk, as well as links to university academic honesty and responsible use and additional policies that you may need to be aware of as a student and online. In the center of your My homepage, you will find a news feature which will contain news from all of the courses that you are currently enrolled in. You may dismiss the news item once you have read it. This will also dismiss the news item from the course that it originated. Below the news, you will find a My Courses widget that has a list of all the courses you are currently enrolled, broken down by semester and department. Sometimes in order to find a class, you may need to expand either the semester or the department. When you click on the name of a course, you will be brought to that course's homepage. Course homepages may look different from course to course. Instructors may change the arrangement of widgets on the page, the appearance, such as the color of the title bar, and some instructors may even add tools such as attendance and glossary. It is important to read any materials such as syllabi or news items that your instructor provides so that you know which tools he or she expects you to be able to use in their course. The tools on the gold menu bar are consistent throughout all classes at Millersville University, whether or not your professor chooses to use them. They include a content area where you may view, link to, or download information, a discussions area where you may be asked to participate in a variety of online discussions for a variety of purposes, a Dropbox area where your professor will create folders for you to submit electronic assignments, a quizzes area where you may be asked to take quizzes or tests, a class list where you will find information about other students enrolled in the same class, including their email. You may also find and view your own progress in a course from the class list. The grades area will show you any grades and feedback information that your professor has put into the gradebook, a chat area where you may be able to enter into real-time or live chats with instructors and other classmates, a groups area where you can check your enrollment in different groups for different purposes in the class and see areas in the class specifically designated for those groups, a surveys area or your professor may ask you to complete surveys. Some hints to help you navigate inside of D2L. Most D2L pages have titles and icons that will give you a greater description if you mouse over. You may also find menus on the left-hand side that give you the ability to change settings or do other things inside of the tool. Additional instructions or hints are also provided depending on the tool that you're in. Please take the time to locate and review the tutorial materials for individual tools to be able to understand and use each of those tools fully.